Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a review on SurveySparrow, a game changer when it comes to implementing surveys and feedback systems into your business. Essentially, I'll be going over the pros, cons, features, and more, so that by the end of this video, you will not only have a thorough understanding of SurveySparrow's features and capabilities, but you will also be equipped with the knowledge to determine if it's the right tool to elevate your decision-making strategy. If you want to give SurveySparrow a shot, then feel free to navigate to the affiliate link below this video. You can use it to create an account and start for free with this platform, and it will benefit our channel at no additional cost to you. And now we move on to the actual review. So SurveySparrow is not just a survey tool, it's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline the entire process of creating, distributing, and analyzing surveys. It offers a range of solutions that cater to various aspects of business feedback. And those include the customer experience, or CX, as you can understand and improve how customers interact with your brand at every touchpoint. PX, or product experience, as you can gather insights to develop and refine products that truly meet user needs. There is also EX, or employee experience, as you can create a better workplace by understanding and acting on employee feedback. Another solution is the market research, as you can conduct in-depth market studies to inform your business strategies. And finally, the academic research, which is suitable for educational institutions and researchers looking to conduct and analyze studies. One of the standout features of SurveySparrow is its ability to adapt to your existing ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with over 1,500 popular tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Zapier, MailChimp, Google Analytics, and more, making it very easy to incorporate into your current workflow. Next, let's explore some of the core features that make SurveySparrow stand out in the crowded field of survey tools. Starting with the omni-channel engagement, as SurveySparrow unifies conversations across various channels, and this allows you to engage with your audience wherever they are most comfortable, be it email, SMS, web, mobile, or even offline channels. The platform ensures a consistent experience across all these touchpoints. Other than that, we have the AI-powered insights. So leveraging AI, SurveySparrow can automatically analyze open-ended responses, categorize them, and provide sentiment analysis. This feature can save hours of manual data processing and provide deeper insights into your survey results. We also have the automated actions and workflows, as the platform automates many aspects of the survey process, from distribution to initial data analysis. You can set up triggers based on specific responses, automatically sending follow-up surveys or alerts to your team when immediate action is required. With a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, you can easily create surveys that match your brand and specific needs. The platform offers a wide range of question types, from simple multiple choice to more complex matrix and slider questions. You can also turn customers into promoters with Net Promoter Score surveys. This feature helps you measure customer loyalty and satisfaction, providing actionable insights to improve your products or services and boost word-of-mouth marketing. I also want to mention that you can engage website visitors with interactive chatbots and conversational forums. Gathering feedback in real time, these can be customized to match your brand voice and can significantly increase survey completion rates. And now that we know more about the features and what this platform can actually do for us, let's take a look at the pricing structure. When you head to the pricing tab, you are prompted to enter your name, business email, and phone number. Once you've done that, you will actually get a personalized pricing. So based on my information and region, these are the prices I'm actually presented with. So you've got the plans for individuals starting at $39 per month, and this plan grants access to one full user, 10,000 contacts, 600 emails, and you can schedule surveys for up to 200 responses per month. Now, if you need more responses for the same plan, you can increase them, and of course the price would increase as well. The other plan is at $59 per month, and you would get up to 1,250 responses per month, 20,000 contacts, 3,750 emails, and of course the schedule reports. For the Teams plan, the business plan is at $149. That grants you up to 12,000 responses per quarter, or the professional plan at $400 and 24,000 responses. Now, of course, I want to mention that if you choose to pay yearly, then you would be able to save around 50% per month. So if I choose to present the prices yearly right here, as you can see, the prices would go from $39 for the individual basic plan all the way down to $19. The pricing is scalable based on the number of responses that you need for a month, allowing you to choose a plan that really fits your specific requirements. It's worth noting that SurveySparrow often offers promotional discounts, so keep an eye out for special deals. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of using this platform. For the pros, I start with user-friendly interface with a minimal learning curve. You get a wide range of survey types and templates for various use cases. You have robust integration capabilities with 1500 plus tools, comprehensive analytics and reporting features, scalable pricing structure to grow with your business, and AI-powered insights for quicker and deeper analysis. As for the potential considerations, while the platform is very powerful, it may have more features than small businesses or individual users may need. Also, the higher tier plans can be costly for businesses on a tight budget, and some advanced features may require a learning curve to fully utilize. So now that we have the pros and cons out of the way, I want to talk about how you can actually get started with using SurveySparrow. So one of the things I appreciate about SurveySparrow is how user-friendly it is despite its powerful features. To demonstrate, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your first survey very quickly. So you want to navigate to SurveySparrow.com, sign up using the link below this video if you haven't already, and then once you've landed on your dashboard that will look something like this, you want to click the new survey button. From here you can either start using AI or you can start from a blank page. Additionally, you can choose what kind of survey you're opting in for, so classic survey, CX, chat survey, etc. I'm going to continue with the classic survey and then start with AI. Next up, I'm going to generate a survey to know how employees feel about hybrid work. After that, you get some suggestions about what you may ask. After that, I'm going to click on preview my survey, and just like that, my survey is actually ready. As you can see, it's fully animated. You click on start survey, and then from there you actually get the rate your overall satisfaction with the hybrid work model out of 5 stars. And the next question is, what do you like most about working in a hybrid environment, etc. If you want to, you can choose to customize the survey or change its color a little bit. So I might go with the red color, and that way I can customize my survey that I generated in a few minutes however I like. So in summary, SurveySparrow is a very powerful and versatile platform that can significantly enhance how you gather and analyze feedback from customers, employees, and other stakeholders. It's a very user-friendly interface coupled with advanced features like the AI-powered insights. Omni-channel engagement and robust integrations make it a valuable tool for businesses looking to make data-driven decisions. Thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful, informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.